Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 36 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Follow me to learn 重点真的知道 in Chinese characters. First one for today. 重点知 重的烟点重点 means key point. 重点 What's the key point? 重点是什么呢？重点key point. 点重点 key point 真的知真的 means real 真的I really have to go. 我真的得走了。真的的真的 real really The third one for today 知道知道 means know I don't 知道知道No 重点 key point 真的 real 知道 know Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.